Hey guys, I know as a student, earning your own money feels like the first big step towards financial freedom. But how do you actually start, especially if you don't have much experience? Let me guide you step by step. First, figure out your skills and interests. Don't worry if you feel like you don't have any. Everyone starts somewhere. It can be basic things like typing, drawing, teaching, or even just being good at talking to people. Make a quick list of what you're comfortable with. This is your foundation. Next, see what's in demand. Go to platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Search for beginner-friendly jobs, things like data entry, content writing, or simple graphic design. You'll see what people are actually paying for, and you'll get an idea of where to start. Now build your profile. This is important. Add a clear photo, write a short but honest bio, and mention your skills. If you have no experience, don't worry. Offer to work at a lower rate initially, just to get those first few projects and reviews. It's all about building credibility. At this stage, you need to apply actively. Don't just wait for jobs to come. Send out proposals to as many relevant projects as you can. Be polite, direct, and show that you've read the job description. Even if you get rejected, it's part of the process. The more you apply, the better your chances. Another good way to earn is through tutoring. If you're good at a subject, try sites like Vedantu or Chegg. You can teach school kids or even help classmates. Online teaching pays well, and you can schedule as per your comfort. If you want to avoid online hassles, look for offline options like part-time jobs in your area, cafes, coaching centers, or delivery gigs. These may not pay a lot, but they help you develop work discipline. One thing to remember, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises very high returns for little work, it's almost always a scam. Stick to genuine, steady work. As you gain experience, upgrade your skills. There are tons of free resources online, YouTube, Coursera, or government portals like Swayam. Learning new things increases your value and your earnings. Finally, keep track of your earnings and spend wisely. Saving a little every month, even from small amounts, can make a huge difference in the long run. So to sum up, identify your skills, find in-demand jobs, build your profile, apply actively, avoid scams, and keep learning. Making money as a beginner needs patience, but it's totally possible. All the best on your journey.